Technology is constantly evolving, but affordability and digital literacy can sometimes be a challenge. To address this, the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services has created a technology lending program that is not only designed to address digital affordability, but is also expected to result in a measurable, correlated growth of usage and literacy among older adults, people with disabilities, and others. What we're looking at with our technology lending program is bringing everything that we have in our after-school technology labs to the community at large. Anyone can go to any of our NCS community centers to check out equipment. That includes Canon EOS DSLR cameras, 3D printers, Oculus Quest glasses, Chromebooks, and Cricut machines.
Can you tell me more about the equipment that is offered?
3D printers are all about creating things you can't buy off the shelf. FlashForge Adventurer Pro is a 3D printer that's made to be portable. People can take it, check it out, take it home, bring it back. It has a process built in where you just push a button and it levels itself and it's ready to go again. We have DSLR cameras for people to check out. A lot of people have never held a camera, never used a camera. You can do video, you can do still photos with our camera. Sky's the limit. I think if people have the opportunity to use it, that's what we're looking for. We want to give them an opportunity to learn something different. The Oculus VR glasses, a lot of people are used to a virtual environment. VR glasses takes it to another level. A lot of opportunities to explore what the VR world looks like. A lot of people don't necessarily want to own the glasses until they get an opportunity to wear some, see what the experience is like, get past that dizzy phase and consider what else you can do with them. The Cricut machines. You can embroider things into leather. You can embroider things into plastic. You can make cups with names on it, designs on it, pictures on it. Sky's the limit with the Cricut machine. You just don't know what it is until you get your opportunity to put your hands on one and see how you can make a living using a Cricut machine. The Chromebooks, and hats off to our friends at Fairfax County Public Libraries. They had the first model with the Chromebook. So we understand that a lot of people might not have a computer at home to run some of the equipment we have. Chromebooks are going to be there to check out with our equipment in case you need it. If you need a computer to run the 3D printer, the Chromebooks will do it. We've tested it. You need a computer to run a Cricut machine, Chromebooks will do it. You need a computer just to check jobs, see what kind of opportunities there are for you to get employment, learn skills, lifelong skills about anything in Fairfax County, Chromebook can help you do that.
How do I rent the equipment?
You want to come into one of our community centers and check out a piece of technology that is part of the technology lending program. You have to be registered in our Rec Dynamics system. Every community member that participates in anything at the center currently is registered in Rec Dynamics. That means we have your contact information. We know how to get in touch with you. You have to be 18. You have to be a resident of Fairfax County. You have to pass a skill requirement, basic skills that we know that you can do something with the machine before you take it home. And you have to sign a sheet that says you understand our basic operating procedures, and that includes a return date so that you know that we know when you're supposed to bring that equipment back. There's nothing like having something in your home to play with when it comes to learning how to do something. So we're hoping that being able to check something out and take it home will be a catalyst for skill development and take people to the next level with technology here in Fairfax County. To learn more about the technology lending program, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS and feel free to call any of our community centers.